Hey guys, listen to the frogs. You hear them? Look how beautiful it is out there right now. We just got back from a beautiful hike. It started raining. And it is so pretty, man. The sun's starting to come out. Now, I just fed the pups. But you see how muddy it is out there? See how muddy it is? I'll tell you what's not beautiful. The floors in the house. And everyone always asks me, Lee, how do you keep your floors so clean? Well, I'm gonna tell you how I keep them clean. I clean them up all the time. Guys, it's me. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. But look at all that mud. Look at this. So I'm always cleaning. And I'm gonna show you how I clean. Now, it's not the easiest thing in the world to clean with 15, 16, 20 dogs I have running around. Callie's walking down there, so she's gonna make the house even more messy. I cleaned it up just a little bit because it looks really bad. It did. But Hoover, guys. I use my Hoover vacuum. It is unreal. I love it. What I love most about it, not to make myself sound too stupid, it's just so easy. It's like the easiest vacuum in the world. They say, oh, look at those clouds. Man, it's beautiful out here today. It was such a nice hike. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit and let's do this. I love you guys. Hoover, you are the best. You're the best, Hoover. Hoover, I love ya.
All right, guys, Tony Two-Tone is gonna tell you everything you wanna know about your Hoover. Am I right, Tony? No? All right, I'll take it from here.
I use the Evolve Pet Cordless Upright Vacuum. So I'm not very good to open up boxes, but guys, this is the one I use. Holds 3 times more dirt than a stick vacuum. You heard it here, folks. 3 times more, Charles. The pet odor protection part right there, that's because it brushes it all up. It's not just sucking it up like a normal vacuum, it's scrubbing it all in, you know what I mean, Hoochie? You know what I'm talking about, right? Hell yeah, get excited. I'm excited, you're excited, we're cleaning the house. That's what I like to see. That's the type of enthusiasm I want before I clean. I'm not sure why, but I kind of find like cleaning up with a vacuum meditating, you know? It's just like very nice and peaceful. And what I like about this Hoover right here, ladies and gentlemen, it's very quiet. I like, even though I have a lot of dogs, even though I have a bunch of dogs, I like it very nice and quiet. And listen to this. Can you even hear it? It's just like someone's going like, and boom, here we go. I like it. Brushes the floor a little bit. You know, look at that. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Get out of my house, you dirt. Get out of my house, the dirt, I say. Get out of here. Look at all this. Oh, this is naturally happens to be there. Naturally happens to get out of there. Naturally happens to... Or let's say I want to turn it up a notch, guys, right? Let's say I want to turn it up a little bit. Let's put it on the carpet one. We got all these modes here. We got the brush off, the carpet, multi-surface. Can you stop looking at my hand for a second, please? Carpet. Boom. That's the big guy. Those are the big guns right here. Boom. Don't mess with this one. Don't mess with this one, folks. He's going to pick up the whole entire floor right here. Oh, goodbye. Oh, I see a good piece over here. I see a good piece. Goodbye. Get out of here. There's another one. Get out of here. It really doesn't matter what kind of vacuum you have. You could have a $10,000 vacuum. When you have 15 dogs, you have to replace the filter quite a bit. With this one, it's just easy. Everything in life, I got a dog here on me. Everything in life is just complicated. Guys, I know Lily. It's complicated. Lily, she's complicated. This thing is so easy. Even when I go to, even when I try to replace, I don't have to try. Even when I just go and replace the filter, it's just easy. A quick snappity pop, and we're in and we're out. Easy stuff. This is what I use. This is how I keep my floors clean. And I use it a lot because it's easy to use. And again, it's nice and quiet. For me, it's peaceful to clean. It's relaxing. Let's all just relax. Let's clean the house. We like a nice clean house. You see, you can have 15, 20 dogs and still keep your house clean. You just got to clean it. All right? And it's nice when you have something that makes that easy to do. All right? Hoover, thank you so much for helping me keep my... Hoover, thank you so much. Seriously, thank you so much for this amazing partnership. I really just appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you not only for supporting the Asher House, for supporting Animal Rescue and my sanctuary, but thank you for helping me keep my house clean. I mean it when I say it, that cleaning is kind of therapeutic to me. So I really appreciate that you have such a good vacuum and it's nice and quiet for me. and the dogs aren't afraid of it, the big heavy ones, the dogs are afraid, so it's just nice. Hoover, I appreciate you, and thank you so much. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and go clean your house. I know you have to. Bye. Oh yeah, and to order your Hoover, just click the link. Thank you so much.